Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how we can figure out the Mac model. By following this video, you can identify the model number of MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and iMac Pro, or even Mac Mini also. So just follow the tutorial and then you will see how it is easy to figure out or to identify the Mac model. So let's get started. At first click on the Apple menu or Apple icon, and then this type of menu will be appeared, and from here choose about this Mac. So we have to go there to figure out the existing Mac model. So I'm going to hit enter key or return key, or we can just click here, and once we click here, then this type of menu or window will be appeared. So here you will see the operating system name, and then there is a button at the bottom. It is mentioning system report. So to check the model, we just need to click there. I already clicked there, and once we click there, you will see this type of window, something like that. And here, if you see carefully, you will see there are different information. So the second line, model identifier, here it is mentioning the existing Mac model. That means this Mac is iMac 19,1. And for other cases, I mean for your case, you will see either this type or different type based on your iMac or MacBook Air or any other Mac computer. So hopefully guys, by watching this video, you are able to identify your Mac computer very easily. And that's all. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next video.